It's Patrick at Pals Trailers. We love them at Pals. So why is this one here? Well, it just needs regular maintenance. You know, the biggest problem with trailers is wiring. And Jack has put a new pigtail on this wiring. He's also went through the frame and checked the wiring all the way to the back to make sure that the lights are working. How many times are you out on the road and you see a trailer? Maybe one of the lights are working, maybe none of the lights. And it's just because those trailers do a lot of sitting. They're worked very hard when you put stuff on them. And the wiring is always a concern. So you need to make sure that you stay up on the maintenance on it. The other thing we did was repack the wheel bearings on it so that he doesn't lose a bearing or an axle. Very important. You want to also check the integrity of the frame. You can see some surface rust here, but nothing really bad. So these are all things that you need to take into account if you've got a trailer. You may only use it, half a dozen times a year, but when you need it, you need it. You can also look on the bed. The bed's been replaced. That's another common problem with these trailers. The wood weathers and it gets soft, and you have to replace the wood. Now, we didn't do that. The customer did that himself and did a great job. If you've got a trailer, bring it to Pals. We'll check it out for you. We'll make sure that you're ready to go on the road and that you won't have any issues. Last thing I want to talk about with trailers, trailer tires. Make sure that they aren't cracked. Make sure that they're not weather checked. Make sure that they're in good shape. The last thing you want is a loaded trailer with a blowout. See you soon.